For those of you that don't know what Shizuku is, well, in a simple term, to the best of my knowledge anyway, it is an app that lets you access some super user privileges on your phone with and without root access. You see, with newer versions of the Android operating system, there have been a lot of restrictions, almost as if Android is becoming the new iOS. This app, Shizuku, lets you bypass some of these restrictions. Take into consideration the Android data and OBB folders, something that became restricted since Android 11, and that has really annoyed me. Like, why? Google, why? The upside to using Shizuku is that you don't void your phone's integrity and you can always turn it on or off whenever you choose to, which I will show you in this video, so let's get into it. First thing you want to do is to download the app. Now the app is available on Play Store, but I downloaded mine from GitHub, mainly because Play Store told me the app was for older Android phones. Once you open the app, you'll be greeted with this. According to Shizuku, there are 3 ways to turn on this service on your phone: by wireless debugging, using command prompt on a PC, and having root access on your phone. I won't be covering the last option because my phone isn't rooted. Alright, method 1, wireless debugging. For this step, you want to turn on developer options on your phone. That's if it's not already turned on. And here's how to do that. Alright, with developer options on, go back into Shizuku. Before proceeding, know that wireless debugging needs your phone to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. This is the main reason I don't use this method, well, that among others. After connecting to a Wi-Fi network, click on this pairing button, and before I forget, you'll be prompted to allow notifications on the app before proceeding. I wasn't shown this prompt because I had already done that. Okay, back to the video. Take note of what is written here in red. And also you will notice this notification that says Shizuku is searching for pairing service. That will change once we turn on wireless debugging. Okay, click developer options and scroll to wireless debugging. I won't just toggle this option on, rather I will tap this area, which will take me to this wireless debugging settings area. This is what the red text earlier was telling us to do, and that's why it's good to read instructions. After some time, you will see a new notification telling you that a pairing service has been found. Enter pairing code, and that code can be found here. Now to impute the code, swipe down to see notifications. Enter the code into the Shizuku notification above. Once that is done, go back into Shizuku and click Start. And voila, Shizuku service started. And the reason I like this method is because sometimes Shizuku fails to find the paired service and the option to impute a code never shows up, and that is really annoying.
Oh brother, this guy stinks!
Okay, on to method 2, using command prompt. This for me is the easiest method, but you can't do it without a PC. First things first, turn on USB debugging in developer options on your phone and connect it to your PC using a USB cord. That means connect your phone to your PC. When you receive the pop-up message to allow debugging, take the option to always allow from this computer, then allow. The next step is to open Shizuku, scroll to this area, click on view command, and you should see a command line code. This code will change if you uninstall the app or reinstall the app again. But as long as you're not uninstalling the app, just keep this code safe. Open command prompt on your PC and type in the code. You will notice that the code I typed in my command prompt is a bit different. That's because this ADB command refuses to run directly. What I have to do is go to the folder where the ADB.exe is on my PC and copy its paths. Okay, I will show you how to do this. If you don't know where to find this ADB.exe on your PC, here's how. First of all, download platform tools from the link in the description. Extract the zip file into a location of your choice. I put mine in the C drive. Open the folder, right click on the ADB.exe and copy as path. Then paste that into command prompt. Delete these quotation symbols here and type or paste the code from Shizuku also. Then delete this ADB part of the code. I hope that was not confusing though. Now next thing you do is click enter, and on your phone you should see the Shizuku service running. Like I said before, I won't be doing the root method since I don't have a rooted device. But you see this second method, this is what I use anytime I want to do this. Also, a side note, whenever you restart your phone, you would have to turn on the Shizuku service again, so keep that in mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to use Shizuku to access the Android data and OBB folders on your phone. For now, see you later.